Hello everyone, Terence here from South Africa, strongest arm wrestler in the Southern Hemisphere. So just want to quickly catch up and just tell you guys how my week was. As you guys can see, I was at Arm Wars again, uh, Arm Wars Iron House competition. Um, Guys, I met Brian Shaw, Eddie Hall, some guys from America, from Spain, from Norway, all over the world. I think they said there was like 12 or 9 countries, I can't remember correctly, participating in this arm wars. So once again, this is one of the greatest arm wars I've been to. I've been to so many arm wars in the past. Actually, my first one, like you guys will remember, was in 2010 at the, I think it was London. I competed against Michael Todd and Don Underwood. You guys can go back and check that videos out on Arm Wars as well. Yeah, so this week was a very, very good week for me. Um, Technical wise, I've learned so much technically. Um, yeah, it was a great experience. You guys will see when the videos come out. The matches was insane. There was insane matches. My matches as well was insane again. I don't know if you guys remember last when I competed against Philip Larson. That matches was great. Or when I pulled Minigas Dulskas and Tony Luke Christensen and Hightower. So this is basically on the same level of intense. It was great, and I just want to say thank you to Neil and James for what they did for us at Almors, always making us feel welcome, building our brand, putting the contenders first, putting the athletes first. So Neil and James, perfect job, man. I really appreciate it. Some highlights. I met Brian Shaw, and I met Eddie Hall again. Second time I met Eddie. So the two great athletes. We laughed so much for these two guys. They are so funny. I'll try to post a video of Eddie trying to pull a max back pressure. Not for him max, but for the device we used, what Brian brought there, that max. So that was very good. I'll try to see if I am allowed to publish that. And yeah, it was 12 countries, 9 countries, I'm not sure. Some really great matches. Um, like you guys know, I've been all over the world and competed in many, many international events. I've been to a number of World Cup. I've been to Russia Open. I've been to top 8 best in the world, PL. I've been to East versus West. I've been to many world championships. So yeah, I think this Arm Wars was one of my highlights in my life. And Neil and James, again, great job. Coach Ray, everything you guys did for us. And it's really, really a good event. Guys must check it out at Arm Wars. Also, there's a video coming up on Arm Wars site soon about the dance off we had. It's a world championship dance off, arm wrestling dance off since 1992 when I was the world champion back then. So yeah, you guys must check that out. We have uh, what do you call him? What is his name? Alex. Boring Alex. That's all right. Because why? Pretty boring. So, guys, check that out. It's coming soon. And then the last thing I want to talk about before I fly back to South Africa is my match with Hanko Nel coming up at Armdruk is Groot in next weekend. Luckily, I'm not too messed up with my arms. It didn't take too much of a beating, but that is coming up now next weekend. I'll do a super match with Hanko left and right, and then everybody what's participating in the super matches gets thrown in a double elimination competition, and then they determine who's the ultimate South African champion and also the top 10. So we have some great guys there. As you guys know, Ricard is coming from South Africa. He won't participate in this one. I think he will participate in the future. We'll see about that. And then we have a guy there, also a strongman. Future is also coming over to arm wrestling, like some of the guys, Rob Franton and the guys we met there. Also, that's Rebecca and those type of guys. Also, trans going over to arm wrestling. Sorry, I don't know the word now. So yeah, Gerard van Staden from South Africa. I'll try to in the future to meet the world's strongest man, also from South Africa, Mr. Nel. I'll try to meeting with him to see how strong he is, and maybe he's also a potential future arm wrestler. So yeah, guys, lot of things, interesting things coming up, and speak to you guys soon. On my way back to South Africa, I'll make a video when I'm back and off my conditioning and so on, and then yeah, speak to you guys soon.